Ah, vous êtes le père de la mariée?
Oui.
Et vous aussi?
Non, moi je suis la mère.
Ah,
Et vous êtes gay?
oui,
Et vous êtes gay?
oui.
D'accord.
D'accord.
Donc, j'ai une super histoire à vous raconter, comme ça va être bien. Alors, Melon et Melèche sont à l'église.
Oui.
Melon prie Dieu, Melèche la lune.
Il y a 2 personnes qui sont coincées dans les toilettes dans le mariage.
Ouais.
Melon passe par la fenêtre, me lèche la fente. Melon et Melèche sont au golf. Melon réussit 3 trous, Melèche 18 trous.
Pas gay, pas gay, pas gay.
C'est gay, c'est hyper gay,
Non,
c'est
c'est
18
gay. Melon et Melèche sont au bistrot,
Oui.
dans un mariage.
Oui.
Ouais.
Melon boit le Perrier, Melèche la rondelle.
La moufle sait tout faire, sauf les mondanités.
Dr. Paul, how do you reconcile the fact that you believe that the federal government has no place in gay marriage debate with your support of DOMA? Well, DOMA doesn't excite me. Matter of fact, I wasn't there when it was voted on, so that's not the most important thing. But when it comes to welfare benefits, it puts me in a predicament because I don't think the government should be involved at all with marriage. State governments are in it. That would be my preference. Only the individual. If 2 individuals want to call themselves married, fine and dandy. That's their business. Just so they don't have the right to impose their relationship on somebody else. But somebody who's heterosexual can't impose on them their definition of marriage. So that should be settled. But the question is about DOMA. The predicament there is if all of us, this has to do with benefits. And this has to do with economics. I don't believe in any of that welfareism, but what if I vote on a bill that adds 50,000 or 100,000 new beneficiaries because they're called spouses? That becomes an economic issue. I wouldn't have voted for the benefits for the individual anyway, the single individual. So I'm not anxious to vote to expand the benefits. Now, the one way you could get around this to a degree is, say, Social Security benefits. I don't think we should have Social Security. I don't think that's a proper function, but I don't do anything to destroy it. Matter of fact, I've made some provision to try to save it, and that is isolate the funds, not allow the general revenues ever to rob the Social Security Trust Fund, and have a real account there. If you had a real account there, what happens today, if you have an account and you die, it just disappears. Your beneficiaries don't get it. So if you're an individual and you call yourself married, whether same-sex or opposite sex, you ought to say, well, there's ownership there, and I designate that my partner get that money. That would be one way around it. That would be in between. But the biggest predicament I personally would have would be to expand the welfare system by coming up with expanding a definition of marriage, and I don't even want to be in the business of definition of marriage, but the contract of designating a beneficiary, I think would be a pretty good solution to that.
Okay, first of all, are you guys with the Democrats or the Republicans?
So the 2004 amendment
We're going to see you next year.
Well, you will when you come to Columbia.
I know.
I'll be.
I just wonder, are you friendly or are you not?
Well, we're friendly. That's the question to figure out.
Oh, no.
So
Okay, all right.
the 2004 amendment to ban same-sex marriage in the United States.
I can't believe you asked me that. I just
It was a cause of yours. So that, in combination with the
Are you
statement you
taking,
made.
or are you taking pictures, video?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Incest, bestiality. How do you think?
You misunderstood. That was a misunderstanding of the clip.
Okay, so amendment.
That was really taken out of context.
So how do you think the amendment, just take the 2004 amendment, how do you think that makes young people like me who are gay feel about ourselves to come up into a society that to us seems like doesn't value us in the same way that straight people
Well,
do?
we're not going to change the policy. Okay, so you should feel bad.
Why shouldn't I feel bad if there's an amendment, if you champion an amendment prohibiting